What's going on, guys? Junior's Tech here, back with another video. Now, as always, we love reviewing products from a company called Edifier. Now, Edifier release some amazing products. The headphones I have reviewed, the gaming headset I reviewed, the speakers I have reviewed. Well, today we are reviewing yet again another set of speakers. But these are on a smaller factor. So yes, bookshelf speakers are quite large. I reviewed a few of them. I'm still using them right now as we speak. And there is another set also. Now today we are going to be reviewing a smaller set of their speakers. So we are going to be reviewing the Edifier R33BT speakers. Get into it. So these are the speakers. We're going to get them unboxed. I'm going to do this a little bit quick time and we're going to see what we're working with. Like I said, these are the Edifier R33BT and these are their active speakers. So let's speed this up. We'll get everything out and we'll see what we're working with. So guys, these are the speakers we are taking a look at today. Now, a few things that we did get in the box was as simple as we do have 3.5mm jack Edifier lines going on here. We did receive that, and we did receive quite a large manual, which will be in several different languages. Now, we're going to be talking about that a little bit later on, but we're going to take a look at the speakers. Now, like I said, we have done these speakers before on a much larger scale, but the one thing I do like about Edifier is the matter of fact that you can just pop off the front fascias, which allows you to see the absolute beauty of what Edifier does create. Now, as we can see, the ones that we have done in the past, I'll put a picture up just there of what we can see. The speakers have been on a massive scale, but as we can see here, we do have quite a smaller speaker going on here as well as the top, and obviously the speaker grills can be removed. The speaker grills themselves do have the nice Edifier logo going on the bottom, but we do have a very thin mesh going on the front, which does add to the aesthetic massively. And like I said, these are simply removable. You just pop them out. Now, like I said, this is going to be the slave speaker. So this is going to be connecting up to the main power speaker. And these are simply connected by a simple cable, just like that. Straight from one speaker to another, and you are connected as easy as can be. Now, on the back of the main speaker, obviously we do have the main plug, as well as I'm in the UK, so I do have a UK 3-pin plug right there. If you are in a different country, vice versa, your plug will look different. So now we do have a few things. We have the on-off switch. We have a simple L speaker out, so that's going to be for the opposite speaker. And then we do have an aux cable, and that is it. It's simple, it's sweet, that's all you get. So if you were going to set these up in your living room, you could have them either side of your TV. If you were going to have like a projector room, anything like that, these can be used as simple as just plugging an aux cable in and you are done and dusted. So we're going to do what we normally do. We're going to jump straight into a sound test and a visual test, and we're going to go from there. We'll jump into some specifications, obviously, and then we'll see what we are working with. So let's get ready for the sound test. So the good thing about these speakers is that they are Bluetooth as well. So remember that they are Bluetooth. So the great thing is I can just simply connect these to my device, or I can connect them to the device using a 3.5mm jack. So why don't we do a, what do you call it? We shall do a speaker test just now. Now, I have to admit, that actually was relatively really good. For a set of speakers this small, you don't expect the most loudest experience. It's not about that. It's all to do with the physical quality. Now, that was crisp, it was clear, and it was consistent. There was no crackling, there was no aging. The speakers held up great, and the diaphragms look absolutely phenomenal. So, what we're going to do, I'm going to play one more song, and then we're going to jump to some specifications, and we're probably going to go from there. Now, I have to admit, that was great. Now, I don't know about you, obviously, the sound quality from me to them compared to the camera, I have to reduce it down a little bit because of the pure loudness. But like I said, they are absolutely incredible and they just look amazing as well. Just go to the backside portion as well. As we can see, they are relatively pretty basic. So we don't really have much going on. We just have the slave speaker, we have the main speaker, we have a aux cable going in, we have the connection for the slave speaker, and then we just have our power switch. And it's really as simple as that. The only other buttons we do get is on top of the main speaker. We do get a plus and minus button for either volume control or skipping songs, and then we do have our main button. When you first turn these on, if you're not connected to a Bluetooth device, this button will flash blue telling you it's ready to pair. And it really is as simple as that. So guys, there we go. That was the Edifier speakers. Now, yes, these are much smaller than the speakers I've done in the past, but that doesn't fault them for what their ability is. So whether you want to use these as basic Bluetooth speakers, you know, pop them on your desk, put them above your desk, put them around your telly, your studio, your office, doesn't matter where these go, they're going to sound and be amazing. Now, these are a lot smaller than the ones I've done in the past, but that doesn't mean anything. So the tweeter at the top really is amazing, allows for high quality noise, and obviously the 3.5-inch diaphragm at the bottom as well allows the bass and the music to just protrude. And I have to say, they are an amazing set of speakers. Now, you could put these pretty much anywhere you want and they'll sound amazing. Like I said, you don't have to use them via an aux cable. You can use them via the Bluetooth, which makes them so much more easier and so much more compatible. So if you do want to go grab a pair of these for yourself or any other their products, head down the links in the description. There'll be a link there so you can go head over to see if you're interested, or even if you just want to check out some of the specs. But like I said, guys, go check them out. And if you do end up getting a set and you need any help or any questions or any assistance, drop down in the comment section below. As I say, I am more than happy to help anyone that wants to view, and anyone who needs the help, I'm more than happy. But as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my further videos.